Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to insert the image in Google Docs. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. We will consider several ways to insert the image. Let's start with the simplest way. Load the image from the computer. Choose the place where you want to insert the image, then go to the tab Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Select the image from the folder on your PC that you want to use and click Open. The image has been added. You can do the same by simply dragging the desired image from your computer to Google Docs. Open the File Explorer and, for example, drag an image from the same folder as in the first case. We hold down the right mouse button on the image and simply drag it into the browser window where Google Docs is already open. As soon as the copy icon appears, you can release the left mouse button and the image is inserted. The next way is to find an image on the web and copy it to Google Docs. Moreover, Google Docs has an image search function using Google. Click the Insert tab, Image, search the web. We enter a query in the search field, for example, red car, and so we got a lot of variants of the red car. Select one or more images and click Insert. Images have been added. Google Docs also offers several additional options for inserting images. Google Drive, if you have images stored in your Google Drive account. Clicking on Google Drive will give you access to these images and you can insert them. Google Photos, by selecting Photos, you will get access to the profile pictures of your Google account. If you use Google Photos for your photos and images, the dialog box will also display all the albums you have created. Click the album to open it and select an image. The camera option allows you to take a photo from a camera connected to your PC or laptop and immediately upload it to Google Docs. And insert by URL, this option is useful if you have the URL of a specific image. If the URL is entered correctly, an image preview window will appear where you can click Select to insert the image into the document. That's all, now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.